Hi, my name is Faizah, and today we're going to do a really simple science experiment that looks really cool. All that you're going to need is a clear glass, some water, a few tablespoons of oil, and food coloring. The first thing you're going to want to do is to fill the glass with water, but make sure to leave some room on the top so that there is space for the oil to float. After pouring the water into the glass, get your food coloring ready. Now you're going to want to start taking the food coloring and putting drops one by one into the oil. But while putting it in, you have to make sure that none of the drops touch each other, especially if they're different colors. Now you're going to want to stir it a little bit to make sure that the drops become smaller. After that, take the bowl full of oil and pour it on top of the water. This is when you're going to see the fireworks start to happen. After waiting for a little bit, you'll start to see the food coloring fall from the oil and start to disperse into the water. This looks cool, right? Well, your ones are going to turn out a lot different than mine, and they're going to look awesome. So get everything ready and start this experiment. And no, you don't need safety goggles. Have fun!